fact I always remember is that the blood vessels in the human body, if you stretch those all out end to end, would be about 62,000 miles, which would go around the world twice.
I think that evolution is probably my favourite science fact, and the reason for that is because of the animals that I work with.
But I do absolutely love evolution, love the way Darwin came up with just, was just completely ahead of his time and came up with this amazing hypothesis about how things had changed over time.
Sound travels through water 4 times faster than air.
One fact I found quite astonishing is that Marie Curie's research notebooks are still too radioactive to handle.
Magnetism. I think it's just incredible that basically, you can have things attracted to each other, and then because of this force you can make things move, and I think our modern society is so dependent of in the movement of things, and this all stems from magnetism.
I do like one about a chameleon's tongue being longer than its body.
Well, there was something at uni that has stuck with me, and I don't know if it's my favourite science fact, but it was one of those things that you remember, and that is the humble little barnacle, little crustacean that attaches to rocks, actually has the longest penis in relation to its body size of any animal.
Did you know J is the only letter in the alphabet that isn't in the periodic table?
The majority of the cells of your body are actually bacteria and not your own cells.
There's a couple of stars that are located behind the sun in line of sight with the Earth, and you can actually see, we can actually look to the left of the sun and to the right of the sun, and you can actually see the same star either side of that, and that's actually light waves being reflected by the sheer gravitational force of the sun. So I find that pretty amazing.
As a kid, I remember one that stuck in my mind for a while was that an earthworm has 5 hearts. They're not exactly like a human heart, but I just thought it was pretty cool that this tiny little animal that doesn't appear to have much to it had 5 hearts.
I guess something more related to what I work on is the southern Australian waters. About 85 to 90% of all the plants and animals we have here are not found anywhere else in the world.